Question 3. Number 1 of question 3 is college education and purpose. What conclusion can you draw from the feature on page 384? The conclusion that I can draw from the feature article on page 384, that in order to properly prepare students for a successful future, the implementation of a junior college or created for vocational purposes, which in this step leads you to a 4-year university. The negative in naming this a junior college at the time, the college was not considered a real college education. So they had to transition the name to become more like a community college instead. So credits from the community college can be transferred to an actual university. Question number 2. As an online student, would you have recommendations to offset school violence based on the section on pages 395 to 396? The recommendation that I would make to offset school violence is to add an additional class to offer training on social skills so students can learn how to communicate with each other and deal with confrontation. The main thing that most students tend to be uncomfortable about is how to talk to each other and deal with confrontation if they feel uncomfortable about what the communication was from someone else. So if they had classes for that, to help them know how to properly express themselves without feeling overwhelmed, that would probably be better. Also, to bring a professional trainer in to train students about observing, how to respond to unusual attacks or, behavior or any threats that they happen to see that would be deemed an actual obvious threat. So knowing how to observe those things and being able to alert someone possibly before something actually happens. So, and that is the end of my answer.